All right, guys, today is the day. I just got off work. I'm headed home to jump in the Cummins, hook to the race trailer, and get headed down to Bradenton, Florida for the Danger Ranger 9000 2026. Now, let me tell you guys, our truck is running a million times better than it was last year in the October event. So I think we got a real shot. This sucker is absolutely flying, and it's not wrecked anymore. That's a good thing. The last time things didn't go quite according to plan. So we're definitely hoping for a better performance at this event. I think we got a real shot. We got a quick truck. Our buddy Garrett is bringing down his truck also. So it's gonna be a dang good time. It's gonna be a great weekend. We're headed down tonight. We're gonna be doing some practicing tonight. Tomorrow is the actual event. So it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be great. We need to turn a few laps. Make sure we get some seat time in this Joker, get our lap times dialed. JH, we coming for you, buddy. I know you were planning on 5 for 5, but hopefully we can put a stop to that. All right, well, the boys have made it. Truck is loaded. Y'all ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What do you think?
Excited, man.
What do you think? I'm excited. Hunter.
I'm cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. It's like 31 degrees right now. This is Hunter's brother. He's not usually along, but say hi.
He was in the Square Body video. Your Bob's Square Body.
Oh, he was, wasn't he?
It was.
Well, the truck's loaded. Trailer's hooked up. We're ready to hit the road. We got to go get some fuel, and then we've got a 6.5-hour drive ahead of us. I'm not looking forward to it. Are you looking forward to it?
Well, considering I'm driving the truck and trailer, I'm not ready for it.
Fair enough. But on the bright side, there's a busy bee along the way, and they've got some pretty good
some
food.
honey sticks.
Son of a gun. I'm looking forward to it.
Uh-huh.
Let's hit the road. Well, boys, we have made it to the Freedom Factory. Little later than anticipated. We ran into some traffic on 75 and stuff like that. So we have made it with 20 minutes to practice. So we have one 20-minute session to get out there and practice. So here's hoping things go well. We got a few things we're gonna work on the truck real quick. Obviously, we don't have a whole lot of time because our session comes up in about 15 minutes, something like that. So our plan for tonight is to go and make a few laps, see how she handles, because if you guys remember and you watched the last video, the last time this thing skipped like an absolute dog. It ran terrible. We got it figured out, got it out on the track. It was running okay, then we crashed. So we got it figured out because we tracked it down actually to an alternator exciter wire that was not turning the alternator on. So when the battery would drop down to 8 volts, it would skip really badly. So we got that figured out, so we're hoping that tonight we actually break our record from last time. I think we were running like high 20s. We definitely need to be faster than that to be competitive. So we're gonna get suited up, we're going up here in a few, hopefully making some laps, hopefully she looks good. All right, let's hear from the pit man himself. How you feeling?
Turtles.
That's it? That's all you got?
That's all I got.
Oh, okay. So he likes turtles. So Garrett from Misfit Motos here, he thinks he stands a chance against the old little Danger Ranger. We see you over there. We see you.
He's cheating. He's cheating.
He ain't even listening. He's working on it. Old brake check is coming back for redemption. Old brake check. Old brake check. Back in action, better than ever.
You ready, pal?
I reckon.
You ready?
Ready as I'm gonna get. Nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Oh, it is the first time that we have raced it since the incident.
It's the crash.
A clean hood. It's fixed. Kinda.
Tank's good for the obvious.
What? I didn't get time.
What you think, Cody?
We'll see.
We got Garrett from Misfit Motos right there, and then Braden right there. How long can they be out there? Until they, well, I guess. I got.
Braden better fill this out. That sounds way better than last time.
Oh, a lot better.
Come on, Braden.
Alright, so we
Okay, he's
got
starting to
Garrett's
feel it.
time 21.6. Let's see Braden's 22. Coop had a faster time than Garrett. Yeah. So Garrett 27. thing's running good now, son. Tell me something that's more American than Rangers racing. Really? He's pretty consistent with that.
Yeah.
What a gear run on that one. And he's fully braided line. Woo, got a little squirrely right there. So what's your name, big dog?
Dog. We are 2 seconds faster than we were in October. This thing's running night and day different. And the line, she felt good.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little bit slick going into turn 3, which it was
Yeah,
last time.
you did get a little squirrely.
Yeah.
I pointed that out actually.
Well,
So,
there's a hump there,
Yeah.
and I'm kind of. If I had more time, we're running out of time. If I had more time, I would kind of figure out more about where to enter those curves at.
yeah.
But I think the best thing tomorrow.
Well, we got practice tomorrow too.
We have
so-
practice tomorrow, and that's gonna change a couple of things because the sun's gonna be out, so the track will be warmer.
Yeah, it's cold right now.
It is, and so not only that, but the faster guys will be here practicing tomorrow too. So if we have that going on, be able to get out there, kind of follow them, see where their line is, and
KSR, for instance.
yeah,
JH.
But like I said, dude, this thing picked up 2 seconds running 1950, whereas last time we were running like 2150 to 2180.
Yeah.
So she picked up over 2 seconds, so it's definitely feeling a lot better.
You know what the
And,
real important part is here?
real important part is I hawk down my boy Gary.
That guy's slow.
Get good, bro. If I was in third,
I don't know if I have enough RPM or enough gear to run through.
what do you know what gear's in this one?
Mine 40.
Is it? That's what mine is. So we're running an identical setup, but I kind of wonder if I threw mine in third, if it wouldn't be enough gear.
Right, that's what I wanted.
So I didn't try it.
Screaming
I just
there.
pulled it down at fourth.
Yeah,
But
that's
if it was
what I
in
did.
third and you could stay in that high RPM range,
Right.
scream in.
I gotta quit wimpy footing it out of that corner and this corner.
You just gotta. When we run some practices tomorrow, you can stay behind me. I'm staying in it about a quarter of the way in, and then I'm pedaling it until a little over halfway, and then I'm leaning back
I
into
think
it.
I'm lifting too much.
Hey,
That's
it
what we
feels-
like to call chicken footing.
It feels terrifying
Yeah.
going into those curves.
I know.
I'm leaning like this.
And I don't want to wreck it in practice. Is my thing, you know. So I'm like, don't push it as hard.
You don't want to be the guy down there. Don't be a JH. Don't flip it
Yeah.
on practice
Hey, I
night.
gotta say, with that Joker slam like it is, she's playing it. I don't think that one's going wrong.
Nah.
Now, if I'm in a turn, somebody hits me, it'll probably roll over.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
as it
probably.
sits right now, I don't think it's going to roll. I'm gonna just go ahead and say right now, I am scared to death to flip that son of a gun. I don't want to experience that.
There's a roll cage in there
Still,
that you welded.
that's the problem.
Don't trust
your own weld job, do you?
Dude.
All right, guys, so I know we didn't get to make a whole bunch of practice laps last night, but we did get in a few. We figured out a few things about the truck, so we're hoping to get that thing dialed in today. Today is actually event day, and we'll be bringing you guys another video about that tomorrow, updating you on everything. There'll be in-car footage and all of that stuff. We'll be dropping that tomorrow. Again, I know this is a little bit of a short video, but we just wanted to bring you guys kind of an update on the Ranger and where it's at and how things are looking. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out that one right there, because YouTube thinks it'll be the best thing for you to watch next, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and we'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.